Welcome back. This week, a federal judge ordered Texas to remove its controversial floating barriers from the Rio Grande. Governor Greg Abbott said, not without a fight. Well, the next counterpunch in the battle over the buoys was delivered this weekend by the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, which overturned the ban, at least temporarily. Panel, what next? Bob, I know you got a take here.
Well, yes, I do. And
Who knew?
First off, this Judge Ezra was a senior judge who was transferred. He was appointed by Ronald Reagan to the District of Hawaii and was transferred to the Western District of Texas to help with the backlog of cases that they have there. The federal government's not attacking the governor's right to do this to repel an invasion. They're attacking it on it that it's an obstruction to navigable waterways. This isn't a navigable waterway, and it doesn't obstruct any traffic like the airboats that go up and down the river, Border Patrol, Texas DPS, and the Parks and Wildlife. It doesn't obstruct any of that. It's designed to deter people from crossing at that particular point. It's a prototype to see how this works in this environment, and so far it's working. It's not a danger to anybody's health. It's in 18 inches of water. Nobody's going to drown because they get caught up against it or anything like that. So there's a lot of theater in this opposition to this, but the Fifth Circuit saw through that and stayed the order.
Chris, you've probably been watching this argument take place.
Yeah.
Thoughts?
So, well, the definition of a navigable waterway is very broad, and a navigable waterway starts at a bar ditch in front of your house and goes all the way into Galveston Bay, and so it is a navigable waterway for the purposes of federal law.
That, but it's not.
So
carrying
it may
traffic,
not be
so.
navigable waterway in the sense that you can take a boat down it, but it is a navigable waterway. Fifth Circuit stayed it. It's now going to go have arguments in the Fifth Circuit, go to the Supreme Court. I doubt very seriously the Supreme Court's going to help out the Justice Department on this issue. We'll see what happens.
Marcus Davis, is this another example of stuff we shouldn't be paying much attention to?
No, I think on this one, it's an example of the federal judge pointed his gavel the wrong way. Right? This is real simple. Texas has a problem at its border, and the federal government isn't doing anything to solve it. And when a state takes their own fate in their hand and decides to come up with ideas on how to solve it, then you have a federal judge that says, no, you can't do it. Well, doggone it, then go tell the president to do something about it. Additionally, you know, I watched the mayor of New York with his propaganda standing up talking about the madman down in Texas is sending people up to New York. Yes, because your president has done zilch about the border down here. So he wanted other people to feel the pain. That's probably one of the few times you'll hear me back Greg Abbott, but you know, there it is.
All right, all right. The independent mind of Marcus Davis.